Hi guys, I have a nice exponential equation here to solve, which is 4 to the x plus 2 plus 4 to the x plus 5 equals 65. And how can we solve this? You have to find the value of x. Now here, you have to pay attention. First of all, as you can see here, the bases are same. And what are the powers? X plus 2 and x plus 5. As you know, the x value will remain same, of course, but we have to find which is the lowest exponent, the smaller exponent. Here it's x plus 2 because only 2 is added to x. Here 5 is added to x. So the lowest exponent is x plus 2. So we are going to take this term common outside the parenthesis. So here I'm going to write 4 to the x plus 2 and then open up the parenthesis. Here I'm gonna divide 4 to the x plus 2 by 4 to the x plus 2 by itself, so it's 1. So we get a 1 here, and then the same sign which I get it here, plus, and here I'm gonna divide 4 to the x plus 5 divided by 4 to the x plus 2. Let's do it here and check it out. 4 to the x plus 5 divided by 4 to the x plus 2. So what happens here? You have the same base and there's division between them. So you copy down your base, that is a 4, and you subtract the powers. So here I have x plus 5, then you have minus, and you keep this in parenthesis, the other term x plus 2. Now what do? I have 4 to the x plus 5, open up the brackets, minus x minus 2. Now you have a symmetric, same variable, x minus x cancels. So you have 4 to the 5 minus 2, which is 3, and 4 cube is similar to 4 times 4 times 4, which is 64. So you've got the answer as 64. So when you divide these two, you get 64, which is equal to 65. Now what do we get? 4 to the x plus 2 times 64 plus 1 is 65, which is equal to again 65. Then we're going to take 65 the other side, so it will divide. 4 to the x plus 2 is equal to 65 over 65. 65 over 65 is equal to 1. So we got 4 to the x plus 2 is equal to 1. But now I cannot equate them because my base is not same. Here it's 4 and here it's 1. So I cannot equate the exponents. Now what should I do? What should I think of? Now you should be very quick to find out the trick here. As you already know, do you have an idea that anything to the power of 0 is equal to 1? If you have this in mind, you can easily apply the trick here. And the thing is, a to the power of 0, I need the base to be 4. So which should be equal to 1. So I'm going to take 4 to the power of 0, and 4 to the power of 0 equals 1. So let's write it down. 4 to the power of x plus 2 is equal to 4 to the power of 0, and it's to the power of 0 is 1. So here I can equate the powers as my base is same and there's equal to, so I can equate the exponents. So I have x plus 2 is equal to 0. So what will be x equals 2, and at the other side it will be minus 2. So I've got the value of x. Finally, x is equal to minus 2. So this is how you should remember simple and easy tricks where you need to use your brain. Hope you have learned something new today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Take care.